So hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Nagma from Shiza Amani. So I have started my vlog and first of all I would like to apologize कि last 2 Sundays से हम post नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, but yes this one is going to be amazing guys. And as you all know कि हमारा Bangalore exhibition है, so my journey has started and guess what, I have my Gen Z colleague with me with a Korean heart obviously. So we are traveling and our almost our team has reached in Bangalore and we are on the way and you all will see कि Bangalore में क्या क्या हो रहा है, how the preparation goes, how we set up and everything. So Khatija, are we ready for it?
Yes, of course.
Yes Bangalore, be ready for it. So before I start about Bangalore exhibition, उससे पहले हमारा live session था which was on Instagram. So सारा team उस पे preparations में था. Then I started with my live and Alhamdulillah it was a great hit guys. 90% of the pieces were sold out. So thanks for all the love and trust. Then we started with our Bangalore preparations and as you can see यहाँ पे quality check होता है, then we check all of the pricing and other details and whatnot. So quality check is something that Shiza Amani is very keen on guys. Then हमारे preparation start हो गए. We started with the packings, the major thing what we have to do in our exhibition. Yes, it takes a lot of efforts and we make sure that our articles go in a safety. So इतनी दूर से Mumbai to Bangalore या any other city if we have to send, we make sure that it goes in a safety one. And here Afnan is doing all the billings and making sure that barcodes are rightly priced. And yes, here are the barcodes. So this is very satisfying I guess. And then we started with all of our promotional videos things. So यहाँ पर कुछ shootings चल रही है. Khatija is into shootings. And then we started with the journey. Here is on the way to airport and then we boarded our flight and guess what, we are there in your city. So guys, we have reached our hotel and in some time we will be going to the venue. So मैं आप लोगों को थोड़े टाइम में venue बताती हूँ. So here we have reached Barira restaurant guys, one of the best place I would say. And then with all of our team members we started with our preparations for the D-Day, that is our exhibition day, and some preparations are going on with the iron and all. As you can see, the setup has been done and we will be waiting for you all the next morning. So guys, next morning the timings were 10 a.m. but alhamdulillah people started coming at 9:30 only and the clienteles were amazing. Bangaloreans, you are an awesome clients I would say, because the love, the trust, the bond we have, that is very amazing. Because आप लोग ये नहीं सोचते हो कि what we have to buy, if we suggest something and you like it, so that is what we like कि हाँ, you people trust in us that we give the best service to you and we shall continue with that guys. So yes, we will be coming to Bangalore again very soon inshallah. The billings were also like piled up कि back to back billings चल रही थी and this is one of our most loyal client I would say and a very repeated one also. So we have a lot of clients who love coming to Shiza Amani. Yes, and now so we have reached Bangalore airport और हमारी around 1 AM की flight है and we are waiting for that. But before that, before we fly back to Mumbai, मैं Bangalore में ही Bangalore वालों को thank you बोलना चाहूँगी because it was an amazing experience and you guys were awesome as our clients. जो पुराने clients थे, we met new clients and alhamdulillah it was a great hit. So yes, stay tuned Bangalore, हम इंशाल्लाह जल्द ही वापस आएंगे. So thank you for watching our vlog. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye Bangalore.